Oh, my dear, you look a little nervous today. What's happening?
Sir, I have a class presentation today. I feel very afraid to speak English.
Ah, I see. You're worried that people might laugh or judge you?
Yes, sir. My voice shakes. I forget words. And I feel everyone is watching me.
My child, you're not alone. Many students feel the same. Even I felt nervous when I started learning English.
Really? Even you?
Yes, fear is natural. It shows that you care about doing your best.
But how can I stop feeling scared?
The first step is to accept that it's okay to make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is that you keep trying.
But if someone laughs at me, I feel small and lose confidence.
Let me ask you, when a small child learns to walk, do they fall?
Yes, of course.
And do we laugh at them?
No, we help them stand again.
Exactly. Speaking English is like learning to walk. You may stumble, but each time you try, you get stronger.
Never thought of it like that.
Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is expression. People will understand you if you try.
But sometimes my pronunciation is not good.
That's okay. Confidence starts from your heart, not your tongue. Pronunciation improves with practice.
Confidence starts from the heart. I like that, sir.
Good. Let's talk about your fear and how to overcome it step by step. Exercise 1. Fear words. 1. Nervous. Meaning worried. Example. I feel nervous about my presentation. Do. Uneasy. Meaning uncomfortable. Example. I feel uneasy about speaking in English. Oh dear. Let's try making a sentence with one word.
I am anxious because I might forget my sentences.
Excellent. Fear is smaller when you name it. Part 2. Understanding fear and real-life talks. Seeing classmates speak fluently, how does it make you feel?
I feel I'm not good enough.
Everyone learns differently. Fast speakers are not necessarily better. Learning with honesty matters more. Imagine you talk to a friend about your presentation.
I am nervous. I think I will forget my sentences.
Now add a positive action.
I am nervous, but I am practicing slowly.
Excellent. Pair fear with action. It reduces anxiety. Part 3. Small steps for speaking confidence. Dear, let's take small steps to build confidence. Step 1. Speak to yourself first. Exercise. Self-practice. Look in the mirror. Say, I can do this. I am prepared. Repeat 3 times. Step 2. Speak to one friend or family member.
I can try with my sister.
Step 3. Speak to a small group. Every time you speak, fear becomes smaller. Imagine talking to a friend about your day.
I am reading my book. I am writing my notes. I am learning English.
Perfect! You just made 3 present continuous sentences naturally. Step 4. Speak in front of the class, but focus on actions, not fear. Part 4. Daily practice and exercises. Practice makes confidence grow. Let's start daily exercises. Exercise 1. Describe your actions. Present continuous. 1. I am sitting in my classroom. 2. I am writing in my notebook. 3. I am looking at my teacher. Exercise 2. Classmates' actions. They are listening carefully. They are taking notes. Exercise 3. Real-life situations. 1. I am cooking dinner. 2. My mother is helping me. Exercise 4. Emotions. 1. I am feeling nervous, but I am trying to smile. Combine actions plus feelings. That keeps your mind in the present and reduces fear. Part 5. Grammar focus. Present continuous. Now let's learn the present continuous tense. Rule. Am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. 1. I am speaking. 2. They are learning. My child, what are you doing now?
I am sitting in my classroom.
What am I doing?
You are teaching me English.
Great. Now describe your classmates.
They are listening to me. They are smiling.
Excellent. Present continuous helps you describe real situations. The more you practice, the more confident you feel. Part 6. Full classroom simulation. Let's imagine you are giving your presentation. Speak slowly and describe everything.
I am standing in front of my class. I am holding my paper. Some are smiling. One is taking notes. They are listening carefully.
How do you feel inside?
I am feeling brave. I am speaking clearly. I am enjoying my speech.
Wonderful! You just spoke a full paragraph confidently. Exercise. Now imagine different situations, library, park, kitchen, and describe actions and feelings. Part 7. Confidence building techniques. Dear, confidence is a skill. Let's practice small steps daily. Step 1. Positive affirmations. 1. I am improving every day. 2. I can speak confidently. 3. I am learning from mistakes. Step 2. Slow breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Smile while speaking. Step 3. Focus on actions. Describe what you are doing. Example, I am speaking. I am looking at my notes. I am breathing calmly. Step 4. Visualize success. Imagine yourself finishing the presentation confidently. Notice your classmates' smiles. Step 5. Small practice. Speak 1 or 2 sentences every day. Talk about your actions, feelings, or surroundings. Part 8. Recap, encouragement, and final practice. Sarah, let's recap. Fear is normal. Mistakes are normal. What matters is courage and practice.
Sir, I understand. I am not alone, and I can take small steps to speak confidently.
Exactly. Practice daily. Describe your actions. Focus on your heart, not your tongue. Mini practice. Describe your classroom. Describe your home. Describe a park or playground.
I am standing in my room. I am writing notes. I am speaking slowly. My mother is reading a book. My dog is playing.
Beautiful. You are practicing naturally. Every sentence builds confidence. Remember, speaking English is like planting a tree. Water it daily with practice, and it will bloom beautifully.
I will water my English tree daily, sir.
Great. Now, go ahead and practice before your class. Speak slowly, focus on actions, and smile.
Thank you, sir. I feel confident to try now.
Remember, you are learning, improving, and becoming brave every day. English is your friend, not your fear.
Yes, sir. I understand. English is my friend.
Perfect. Keep practicing and soon you will speak fluently and confidently in any class presentation.